Have you ever felt like something is missing, even when everything seems fine? You have people around you, maybe even success. But deep inside, there's this strange emptiness, a silence that doesn't feel peaceful. It feels heavy. Why does this happen? Buddha explained this in a very simple way. There's a story. One day, a man came to Buddha and said, "I have everything I wanted, but I still feel empty inside. What am I missing?" Buddha didn't answer directly. He picked up a small bowl and said, "Fill this with water." The man filled it. Then Buddha said, "Now add more." The man replied, "I can't. It's already full." Buddha looked at him and said, "Your life is the same. You keep trying to fill your emptiness with more things, more achievements, more people, but the feeling doesn't go away." The man stood confused. Buddha continued, "Because emptiness is not a lack of things. It is a lack of understanding. You are searching outside for something that can only be found within." The man asked, "Then how do I fill this emptiness?" Buddha gently said, "Stop trying to fill it. Instead, learn to sit with it, understand it, observe it. When you stop running away from yourself, the emptiness disappears." That's the truth. You don't feel empty because you have less. You feel empty because your mind is always searching for more, and the more you chase, the more lost you feel. But the moment you slow down and become present, something changes. That emptiness starts turning into peace. Not because you gain something, but because you stop losing yourself. So stop trying to fill every gap in your life. Sometimes the answer is not adding more. It's understanding what's already there. If this made you feel understood, subscribe to Inside of Buddha.